F.2, triangle, it's hard to say, triangle angle sum theorem, F.2, and what we are going to do, see if, I know it's pretty blurry and I apologize for that, but it is way better than what my first videos were like. And so, triangle angle sum theorem. Okay, so all of these are going to be triangles. You may or may not know that anytime you have a triangle, you will always have three angles. And if it is a triangle, those three angles will always add to 180 degrees. Okay, so if you have a triangle, the inside angles will always add up to be 180 degrees. So if right here we have 45, and right here we have 61, and right here we have x, how much is x going to be? Add 45 and 61 and get 106. So these two add up to be 106, and all three of them add up to be 180. So we do 180 minus 106 and get 74. Okay, so 112 plus 31 is 143. 180 minus 143 is 37. $55 plus 59 is 114. 180 minus 114 is 66. Okay, now it gets a little bit different. Okay, so we have three angles. And the reason I'm going to do this differently is because we have coefficients, which are the numbers in front of the variables, and we have one variable but in two different spots. So this is how I would set it up. We have three angles, 1, 2, and 3, okay? So we have 3W, which is one angle, plus 45, plus 2W. So this is one angle, this is one angle, and this is one angle. If we add them up, and we knew exactly how much they would always add up to be 180, correct? So that's a true statement. 3W plus 45 plus 2W equals 180. So now our goal is to find W. So we want to solve for W. 3W plus 2W, like terms, is 5W. Keep the 45 equals 180 minus the 45. Bring the 5W down and get 135. Divide by 5 and get 27. W is 27, and the question is, what is W? So we are finished, and it would be 27. Same thing, whenever you have a number with a variable, the safest thing to do is to write it all out. 2p plus 48 plus 30 will equal 180. Now, these are like terms because they don't have p's. The 2p comes down. 48 plus 30 is 78 equals 180. Subtract the 78, which is 102. Divide by 2, and it is 51. Let's make sure we've answered the question. What is P? Did we find P? Yes, we did. So it'd be 51. Keep on going, keep on going. U plus 32 plus 96 plus U just a second. Okay. 96 plus U plus 48 equals 180. Again, that's one angle. That's the second angle. And that's the third angle. So I've put a plus sign between all of them. We're going to add our like terms together. Here is a U and here is a U. If there's not a number in front of the U, it's understood to be 1. So 1U plus 1U is 2U. I'm going to get a calculator for that, just so it speeds things up. 32 plus 96 plus 48 is 176. That's not right. Plus 176 equals 180. Subtract the 176 equals 4. Divide by 2, and U equals 2. What's the question? What is the value of U? Did we find it? Yes, it's 2. That's the same question, isn't it? U plus 32. That's the same question. I guess I doubled it for some reason. My bad, sorry. Okay. 37 plus A plus 21 plus, can't read it, A minus 48 equals 180. 1A plus 1A is not 1A. It is 2A. I'm going to mark those out so I don't look at them anymore. 37 plus 21 minus 48 is 10. Subtract the 10. 2A equals 170. Divide by 2. A is 85. What is A? 85. Keep on going, keep on going. P plus 1 plus P plus 29 plus 74 equals 180. 1P plus 1P is 2P. 1 plus 29 is 30. Plus 74 is 104. $76 divided by 2 is 38. P is 38. What is P? 38. Okay. S minus 17 plus S minus 15 plus 2S equals 180. S plus 2S is 4S. Negative 17, make sure you keep that minus with it, minus 15, that's it, okay, so minus 32, equals 180. The 32 is negative right now, so we will add it. Divide by 4, divide by 4, and get 53. S equals 53. S equals 53. (7a minus 1 plus 13a plus 1 plus 12a minus 5 equals 180. 7 plus 13 is 20, plus 12 is 32, so that would be 32a. Negative 1 plus 1 cancels out, minus 5 is negative 5. Negative 5 equals 180. Add 5. Okay, give me a second. I gotta look at these instructions. Okay, because I kind of see what this does. This isn't going to work out nice and pretty, so I just wanted to make sure it's possible. Write your answer as an integer, which is a whole number or a negative whole number, or as a decimal rounded to the nearest tenth. Okay, to the nearest tenth. That would be 1 decimal place. So we're going to divide by 32. Honestly, don't have a clue what that is. So 185 divided by 32 is 5.78125. Here, we only want this spot. It may stay 7 or it may go to 8. How do we know? We look at this number, and all of these numbers don't matter. Okay? So is the 8 going to change the 7? Yes. So 5.8, because the 7 goes up 1 more than what it is, and then this 8 isn't part of it. Okay. Closure. What do the angles in a triangle always add up to be? 180 degrees.